Okay, today I'm going to make a very famous Kolkata or Bengali style chicken stew. Chicken soup or chicken stew. It's very tasty, especially during the winter season. So to do that, I need about over here I have about 600-700 grams of chicken thigh cut into medium pieces. Then I put olive oil, salt, pepper, dry minced onion, garlic powder, oregano powder, and a little bit of thyme, just a pinch. So I'm going to mix that up, and then I'll fry that on the frying pan. Here I have about a couple spoon of olive oil, and so after frying that, I'm gonna saute this dry spice where I have bay leaves, clove, 4 or 5 clove, and 6 cardamoms and cinnamon stick, about half an inch or so. So I'm gonna saute that with onion, chopped garlic, and chopped ginger, and then I'll mix that with baby potatoes, green pepper, and carrot. So that's all you need. It's pretty easy breezy, but it tastes amazing. So let's start cooking. So while the oil is getting heated up, I put it in high temperature because I'm just going to fry it for a few minutes, so that the outside of the chicken gets fried, so that it basically is a chef tip. It basically helps to retain the juice inside the meat. So I'm going to mix that up, mix it well. So as you can see, the chicken is actually turning a little brown. So I just flip it once and then cook this for about another minute and a half. So total about 3 to 4 minutes. And then I'll transfer the chicken in the bowl and then cook the rest of the stuff. I turned down the temperature a bit. It's medium high kind of thing. And I'm going to add cinnamon, cardamom, clove, bay leaves, and a little bit of red chili, dry red chili. Saute that for about 30 seconds or so. Once you start to smell the cardamom and then all those dry spice, then you can start adding the onions and ginger and garlic in there. After that is done, then I'm going to transfer everything into the Instapot. That's where I'll be cooking, but if you don't have Instapot, you can use a regular pressure cooker for about 6 to 8 whistles. Or if you don't have pressure cooker, then you could just use regular pots, and then just monitor the time. Probably it's going to take about cook it at medium temperature. It's going to take about 35 to 40 minutes or so. Okay, it's done. I'm going to add onions now. You don't have to brown the onion here in this case. Just as soon as it turns translucent, then we'll add the 1/2 spoon of ginger and garlic, chopped garlic in there, and then saute that for about another minute or so. As you can see, the onion is turning translucent, kind of clear. I'm going to add ginger and the garlic. Saute that until that raw smell of ginger and garlic is gone. Then you'll know that it's pretty done. You can add green chili if you want to make it spicy. Just throw a few green chilies in the pot while it's cooking. Don't fry it. If you fry the green chilies, it's gonna be super duper spicy and hot. And I just wanna probably fry a little bit of fry these vegetables a little, probably about a minute or so. Mix it up well. So I put it in the Instapot, and I've added about 1.5 liter of chicken broth, less salt. So I'm gonna cover the lid now. And make sure it's in sealing position. The valve is down. Over here, I'm gonna press the soup. Increase the temperature, the timing to 15 minutes. And that's it. She'll come back in 15 minutes. I might add a little bit of clarified butter or ghee just to have a better taste. See you on the next step. So it just turned off, and the vent valve is down there. Now I can safely open it. This is how it looks like. I'm going to add homemade ghee or clarified butter to this. And add some coriander leaves or cilantro. And it's done. It smells really good. You guys should try it at home and let me know how it tastes. A few of my friends actually tried this at home with the same recipe, and they just loved it.